Minasan, konnichiwa. Hello everyone, welcome to Stacy in Japan. 今日、私の誕生日です。私は37です。Today is my birthday, so this is the big birthday reveal. Today is my birthday and I'm 37 years old. Yay! Okay, so what did I do for my birthday? Well, I went to church. 教会に行きました。I'm not big on celebrating birthdays. It was never a big thing for me growing up, so hey, it's okay. So going to church was actually really enough for me. But I did go to the park afterwards and I had lunch with some friends as well. So that was enough for me. But what about you? How do you usually spend your birthday? You know, it's even a little bit more difficult for me because I'm not at home in Jamaica. So, you know, I just kind of go with the flow. But I'm here. I'm thankful to God for another year. And I just look forward to having a great year. You know, at this age and stage of my life, my only check marks are, you know, what I have planned for my future. So nothing much to celebrate, you know, on special days. I celebrate each and every day because every day for me is a gift of life. So bye for now from Stacy in Japan.